Hello, good evening everybody. How una dey? How una family? I hope everywhere good. Una good evening, Abeg, make una help me share the video for una friends so una help me share this video because I wan talk better thing this night, Better thing when e go fit help somebody for outside there. Hello, good evening everybody. How una dey now? I no like this my camera color. God, okay, it's okay now. Good evening everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Anywhere you dey watch me from, na your girl again o, Justina. Abeg, support me o. In any way you go fit, support me. Show your people my page, share my video with them. Any way at all when you go fit, just support me and God go bless you. I know say this issue when e dey ground so, e no dey funny at all o. E no dey funny. We dey hear am. I no know how your side be o. We dey hear am. People dey cry, food no dey, money no dey. So how you dey cope with this kind situation? And then if you know say you dey watch me, make you drop for the comment box where you dey watch me from. Make we for know where my friends come from. You dey watch from Germany, from Italy, from Spain. Make you drop am for the comment box. So as I dey talk before, I no know how the situation be for your side, but I know say e no easy. Even for Nigeria now, the thing don dey reach Nigeria and e no easy. My concern now be say how we go take cope with this kind situation. They don lock working place, they don lock office, they don lock company, they don block road, no movement, nothing. How we go fit cope? How una dey cope for the area una dey? How una dey cope? I no go say e easy for me o. I no go say e easy for me too, because e no easy for you to stay house, you no dey work, and that means you no dey expect any salary. May I just say last month when e be March, wetin person dey expect na just small thing like this, because na small days person work. This April wey we start now, na only God still know how the matter go be o. Because wetin me I dey hear now say they don postpone everything. Like for school now, they don assure us say school no dey open again until September. Until September na dem talk say the thing go open. Okay, if where we dey work come still be the same thing, how we go fit cope? Who we wan cry to? We dey for this country where we dey so, our government no even know whether we dey exist. Our papa and mama, our brothers and sisters when dem dey for Africa there, even government no know say dem dey exist. Not to talk of who when we dey another country here, dey hustle for our daily bread. How we wan take cope? How we wan take cope? We go pay house rent, and you know as e be for western part. If na on the 15 you dey pay house rent, on the 30 your landlord don begin dey knock your door. No story. They no wan hear story. Then dey pray make day break, make dem come collect their house rent. So that kind of situation, na how you wan take do? Na the small money wey dey your hand, na house rent you wan take am pay? The small money wey dey your hand, na food you wan take am eat? The small money wey dey your hand, na light bill na you wan take am pay? Wait, how we go take cope? How we go take cope? How we go take cope? The worst part now, I hear say dem dey give some bonuses to people. Since my working contract still dey for ground gidigba, dem no cut am, dem no touch am. Dem say dem no go fit give some people anything as far as that their contract still dey. That means e show say dem dey work. So all those bonus wey I dey hear say dem dey mention for television, dey mention for YouTube, say dem go give you money even if your office close or your company close. Me, I don call to confirm. Dem tell me say with my past yearly income when I get, I no go fit receive anything. Na wetin dem tell me o. So how e be for your own case? How e be for your own case? Your side, how e be? Because I dey wonder, people when dem get children for hand, you no fit go hustle. I know say 50% of us when we dey for western part, na wetin we dey hustle every day, na we take dey eat. If we no go out a day, go work, go hustle, we no go see money take eat. So as this kind case don be now, 1 month now, no movement, nothing, how those kind people go take cope? How una go take cope? I no just the thing dey give me sleepless night. I dey here so I no dey too dey work again like that because of everywhere when e close. But now I can't even lazy pass the time when I dey work morning, afternoon and evening. I no know how e be for una. I tire because the situation make person head dey swell up, dey burst. I'm talking about Italy. I am talking about Italy. Please, you can drop your comments wherever you are watching me from. Anywhere you dey watch me from, may you drop your comments. I just decide to speak the language when we understand better. No need to dey deceive ourselves with big grammar, because nobody when grammar help for here. I decide to speak this language when e be say we understand better. Na wetin we take grow up be that. So may we not come dey deceive ourselves with all those big grammar. May we talk the flow one on one. So now make I already talk. E no good make we dey put our egg for one basket. E no good. Just gather egg, put am for one basket. If that basket mistakenly fall, all the whole egg go break. You come put your hand for head, say, oh, I don finish or I don die. Life don pass that one, no. When you just depend on your work, depend on that your shoro when you dey do. Me, I know people when they do that shoro, when they call and shoro, they go dey beg. You say they say me they do another one, they will say, God forbid, which I will use work do. When I dey go outside, I will go dey beg. They go give me, I will make 100 euro every day. Now, how market? How market now? You prefer say you will go dey beg, you will go stand for front of supermarket, they beg for money. Tell them say make them work, no. Join business, no. With this kind of situation now, when they know they like to see anybody for outside now, how you go take cope? How you go take cope? Because for you to even go out now, for this country when I did, for you to even go out, go supermarket, now by the grace of God, though. Now by the grace of God. To even if you go buy food, you need to hold one paper. I get the paper for here. If you not hold that paper, if they catch you, and if you go, even if you hold that paper, you have to write down now only 2 options. Either you dey go your doctor place, or you dey go do shopping for the family. You know if you write say I dey go my friend house, or I wan go carry something, or you know if you write different story. Because even in that paper, they make am clear say, if you know say you wan go out with this paper, only for 2 options. You dey go your doctor place, or you dey go do shopping for the family. You dey go buy medicine. Finish. So, and if they catch you for outside like that, say you just dey waka without that paper, they go knack you money when you go pay. With this kind hard time now, how you want to pay that kind of money? When you see they look for money to take pay house rent, to take it, they will constantly give you what they call a multa. They will come find you for year. How you want to pay? So now I make I always dey call on my people. Make una know dey plan ahead. Now coronavirus day today. Next year we don't know wetin dey. We no dey pray make anything happen. We no dey pray make bad thing happen. But we no pray for this one now. We pray. Not be 3 months ago we celebrate Happy New Year. This year is going to be a good year. This year God is going to bless us abundantly. God go do this one. But now from January the thing begin dey happen. We begin dey hide, begin dey wear things for nose, begin dey wear things for hand, begin dey rub things for hand and leg. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. We not pray for am, but it happen. If coronavirus finish now, who know wetin dey come next? But not be say we dey pray for am make it come, but who know wetin dey come? Who know wetin dey come next? So now make we need to prepare ourselves. Prepare yourself. No depend on that your only one job. Make I tell you the fact. I want to tell you something. If suppose na only that my job na I dey do. If suppose na only that my job I dey do. When this thing happen now, e for no easy for me. I for dey cry. To talk of house rent. My husband dey for house, e no dey work because they close everywhere. Me I dey for house, I no dey work. Pikin dey, family problem dey, bill dey, things dey when you go pay. How person want to cope? How person want to take cope? And even for example, even if they talk say, because the law when come out be say, for Italy here, the law when come out be say, if you dey work, you get contract of work, and your working place lockdown, they go give you 600 euro. That 600 euro, you no need to do anything, no. That 600 euro, you go only pay house rent. If you pay house rent, half of them, even some people they say that they pay 500 euro for house rent. Yes. If you don't pay house rent, wetin remain? The money don't finish, you no go eat. Despite say this coronavirus dey, light bill still dey come o. Water bill come for me that day, almost 300 euro for water bill. My brother, I work in a restaurant. You understand? Water bill come that day, almost 300 euro. Light bill come 160 euro. Tell me, if they go say, okay, now only that 600 euro they want pay me, with this water bill and light bill, money don't finish now. We no go eat. We no go take care of family for home. We no go take care of our old things for here. But I thank God for this my small business. Until they manage myself. At least at the end of the day, if the government agree say they want give me that 600 euro, if they go really agree, I don't know, I never know, because I see they wait for their response. If they really agree say they will give me that 600 euro when they talk say e dey, when some they tell me say e no dey, e dey, all those kind of things, I never know. I still they wait. If they give me that 600 euro, wetin that 600 euro go do? We will know how money dey fly here. We will know here money na here for the big. Once e reach your hand like this, do this one, e don finish. So now I make the advice una guy, I dey advise una my ladies then, even men say they do this business when they do so. You will go through my profile, look the business when they do. E no cost me anything. Na post I dey post for Facebook. Talk to people. Talk to. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your comments. God bless you. Talk to people. You go get customer, sell. Company go dey pay you. Now wetin I dey do be that. I no go feel lie to una. I know say many people say, this kind of business, I know they do this kind of thing, no they do. Wetin you want do? If na thief, you want go thief. Thank you, my sister. Thank you. Na thief you want go thief. You want go dey rob. You want go dey stand for street dey do ashawo. Wetin you want do? They will say make you go dey look old woman. Old woman when you go look, you go pack shit, you go pack peace, you go pack nonsense for life. For how much? For 800 euro, for 900 euro. When you get the opportunity to build business, you will build the business, you just dey build them. The business no even stop you to do, say make you not do your work. You know that as at January, when this coronavirus of 18 never start, I still dey work. I do my 10 to 12 hours work every day. I dey do my work. 10 to 12 hours work, I must do them every day. But I still take my time to build this my business up. But the business now, they give me small thing. If on the 10 now, may I just on the between 8 to 10 of this April, I go dey expect my small money when go come from there. If na my house rent, if he pay, e good. If na my feeding money, if he take care of, it good. If na light bill and this anything at all, at least I know say something dey when they give you small change. This kind of situation now, if people dey when be say if they go get like something when go give them for 500 euro every month now, they go dey very happy. They go happy. But e no dey because they no plant the seed before. You no go fit just dey sow now. You no go fit sow now, reap am now. No, e no dey possible. You need to sow first, then do care for the seed when you sow now. If you go plant your corn, you go just begin the harvest now. No, you no go harvest now. This business and business when you say if you start today, start them, they do and they go small, they do and they go with style. Small, you go they build up the business. Before you know wetin happen, people dey. I must tell you the truth, my luck not be your luck. I start this business for the beginning. I slow small because of some kind things. But people dey when I know they enter this business. within the space of 6 months they don go up. E fit be you, e fit be you. So why you go dey waste your time sit down for social media, look film, look comedy, look news, dey look for people video when you wan work for when you wan watch for YouTube? Why you no use that your time invest for this business wey e go fit change your life? And even if you wan join the business, no be just for you to just say I wan join the business, you just register, you go sit down. You need to hustle. I dey tell people the truth, you need to hustle. I have like 6 people in my team, six people in my team when I bring come into the business, you understand? I don't know, dey tell them before I register them, you have to hustle, follow my footstep, do wetin I tell you say make you do, you go make am, you go make am. I remember one of my girls, I believe say she dey watch me here because I dey see her. One dey tell her post, do this one, do this one. He say mama, I dey post. Only one day I call am say do live video, do something. She do am immediately. She make sales that very day. The girl no believe her eye. He say sister, na true you talk o. You understand? So when you start, if you be say thank you very much. So you no put your egg for one basket again. You know why Oyinbo people, they no better pass us. Everybody get where e take better for life. Dem better for their outside. We say we still better for our outside. They no good pass us. But I want make we compare ourselves to Oyinbo people. Oyinbo person go tell you say I no dey work. You sef you go dey see them for your eye like this. They no dey work. You go dey say this man, dey comot for house. He no dey go anywhere. But the man, if he show you in car, you go surprise. If he show you in house, you go surprise. I know say most of them still dey inherit the property from their parents, but most of them still dey hustle on their own. Which kind of work dem dey do? Then they invest. Me and you, make we talk truth, we no fit become rich overnight with this salary, small chicken change wey we dey collect. You go work, you go dey wait make dem pay you. You say na that one you wan take reach? It's not possible. Make we talk true, e no dey possible. Say that salary when you dey earn, now you wan take work, now you wan take reach for life. E no dey possible. You must invest. You must try other things. I will get in touch with you. So Oyinbo people, if you go their house, I have it now. Oyinbo be my friend where I dey here. Oyinbo people na dem be my friend. Na dem be my friend for this that is the community when I dey. Now Oyinbo people be my friend. Dem no dey work in the afternoon. In the night, na dey work. Wetin dem dey work? Dem dey do online things. I have a doctor friend there. The husband no dey work. Now the husband dey take care of the family, but now in the night the husband dey work. You understand? When the man come dey tell me say see the kind of work when he dey do advertisement for some company, he dey do this kind of thing online. Okay, that kind of person, now you go dey wonder say in the afternoon you no dey work, but in the night you dey work. Okay, which kind of thing he dey do online marketing? Now wetin me I dey do when I dey tell people, when some people no dey gree, some people go doubt you, they go say you no dey work, and na lie, the product no dey work, this one, you don try am. If you no try am, you go know. You no try am, you no go know. Before we comot for our country, before we comot for Africa, I no know the part of Africa where you comot from. Before you comot, enter road, say you wan come Italy, you wan go Germany, you wan go London, you wan go America, you no even know whether you go reach. You risk am. Make I try. Anyhow e be, make I try. You try, you come reach. If suppose as you dey plan am, I wan travel, you sit down for one place, you no travel, step, you no even move your body. Tell me, somebody go come just carry you like this, carry you go throw away for where you wan go? No. The decision need to come from you yourself. So make this coronavirus issue teach us lesson. Make it teach us something. And the thing when it teach me be say, e no good make person dey depend on one work. I don dey hear am since, but I no believe am. But with this coronavirus of 18, when e happen so, e make me know say yes, e no good. Because if you save money, you go chop the money finish. You go chop and finish. Money wey you save for 2-3 months, when you come dey spend, you no add join am, e go finish. E go finish. And for here, some landlord wicked o. Some landlord wicked. If they just say you be black, they no wan hear story. You have to pay them their money. You have to pay them their money. So wetin be the thing wey you wan take help yourself now as you just dey house? For this coronavirus time, I tell you na the best time for you to build business. Start something. Contact me, make I register you for this amazing business wey dey change people life. Start to dey build your business. No look the business today. You know wetin? I no mind the 400 euro, 500 euro, 600 euro, 700 euro, 200 euro, 100 euro when the company dey give me every month. I no really mind am for now. You know why? Because I dey build the business. I go build this business reach a point where I no go need to go work again. Yes. I no go need to go work again. I will just dey. Only the business I go dey do. We have a lot of them in this business. My boss Ego, Sister Charity, Sister Uche, Sister Gift, Sister Judith. They are all in this business. They are not working again, but they have been in this business for like 5-6 years. They are not working again. Sometimes they go dey tell me say, I sacked my boss. Now then carry letter go give their boss, say, boss, oh, I don finish my work with you. Why? Because of say they don't build that business up. Now my dream be that. I don't know wetin be your dream. I don't know wetin be your dream. How many years you go fit work with with company, with like my own kind of work when it be restaurant work? Not be my mind, yo. Not be my mind. If I go that work, come back before. If not be this my product when I come dey use. If I go work, come back before. My leg go dey dance. He go dey dance. My leg go just dey shake like this for ground. You understand? My leg go dey shake. In the morning for me to wake up for bed na wahala. You tell me how long I wan fit. How long I wan fit even continue that work. You imagine Oyinbo go dey tell you. Oyinbo go dey tell you say if you come marry now, because I marry, you never say when I marry. Now you wan begin dey born pikin. We go sack you. Just imagine. Because of work sef, you no go fit even say you want create your own family. How long person wan start that kind life? I will chat with you later. I will chat with you later. You understand? How long you want to take start that kind life? Na true. If Oyinbo, especially Oyinbo people, they do am to black people well. If you just dey work with them, anything wey make you get belle, you wan born, they go tell you say no problem o. Before you wan return back from your maternity leave, they don cancel your contract. You go come start from square one. Or as you dey tell them say I wan go maternity leave, they go tell you say no kukuma come back again o. Then you go come dey your house, dey okay born o, train the pikin up, make the pikin grow small before you come go dey find another work. How long you go continue like that? So now make I dey bring this good news to una doorstep say even for phone una go fit do business wey be say we just dey give una small money. E go dey give una small money. Una no need to dey enter bus o, gbogbo I wan go work o, I wan go do this one. No, na your house you dey. Na your house you dey. Go through my profile. I have been doing this thing for the past 2 years now. I know wetin I dey talk. I know wetin I dey talk. Not be say na joke. Me, I no get time. It's online marketing. I dey into online marketing. Make una go through my profile. Una go see wetin I dey do. I dey do advertisement for one company. Get customers for them. Bring people into the business. The people go sell, then go pay me. Very simple. My company wey I dey work for operates in about 28 countries. We operate in most parts of Europe. In most parts of Europe, my company dey operate. We are in Dubai, we are in America, in UK, even in some part of Asia we are. So we are working. As I dey here, you know what I say dey talk say this company when I join, so at least for where I don waka reach, na it be the best company when I know so far. You know why? Because I don still join some online marketing before. The one when I joined before, if you dey Italy, na only Italy there you go fit sell. You no fit sell your product to anybody when e dey maybe France, Spain or Germany. But this my company, e no be like that. I dey Italy here, I fit sell for people wey dey 28 country. This all those countries wey I just mention, I fit sell for them. I dey Italy here, I get customers for US. I no go buy the product go carry give them. They only tell me say, sister, I need this product too. I say okay. How you take need am? They tell me. I make the order online. Now everything now, I no get anything for house. Anything when you see for my house, now the thing when me I dey use for my own self to put my body well. Only that one. Make the order for the customer. The company by theirself, they go carry the product, package am well, carry am go give the customer for im house. If na America, they will carry am go give am. If na London, they will carry am go give am. If na Spain, they will carry am go give am. Our products, well, I go still do another video to explain wetin our products dey do. Our product na better products, na total, that is na health products, na natural products when e dey help for many health issue. For example, for people when they get diabetes, when they suffer from diabetes, our products get the way when they help them to live a longer life. You know, say people don't get diabetes. If care is not taken, before you know, between today and tomorrow, the person don't pay. If they do our products, if they begin to use our products small, the chance of say they go still they live healthy life, they not go they get that crazy of high sugar, low sugar, is still there, it they help. People when be say then get, maybe they will say their body not they work well. As for men, where they will say they know they feel they perform well, or they know they feel they give woman belly, all those kind of things. Our products still they help them. If they still take them, if they take them, still they do normal control. You understand? Our products still they help balance their body back. Woman when they will say, oh, in belly not they work well, you know if you carry pikin for inside belly. I don't want. I just they use this our language break am for una make una for know wait how they talk. You know, when they don't fit carry belly, they will say their womb too dey hot, or they something don't destroy for their body. They need to do. People they take am, they get belly. They get belly small. You not say you just take am today. You want get belly tomorrow. No. You go they take am, see they do your normal maybe control when you they do, see they go your doctor place as you they do. Then with our products, you go see if you get that belly. I get many customers when they say they don't start to they use this product, they buy them from my house. They don't start to they use this product since January. And the kind call one they receive from them, I like them. I get some sisters when it be say their monthly flow, it just block. But with this our products, e don dey come back small with this our product. They don't go hospital for like a year, doctor no fit do anything. They even give them some kind medicine for hospital when be say come even they make their belly they big they go. But then how they use this my product small. They don't they tell me now say, sister, I don't they feel like say my monthly flour won't come. I don't they feel like my stomach don't they pay my class. Say, it go come. No worry, now small. So now the kind of work our products they do be this. We get plenty products. You know one fat, you want just make you dey sexy, make your body clean, just your skin go just dey shine. We still get products. Not be cream all of them you go must take them for your mouth. Your pikin, you get small. I make, if you remember one video when I make about 3 days ago. I make video. I don't know anybody when in dey Africa. This business it never reach Africa for now. I don't know where they watch me from. But if na Africa, this business, you never reach Africa for now. But if you want to really find out the country where this business dey, if you chat with me, I go tell you where we dey. I go send you the list of the country where we dey. If you are in all those 28 countries, if you are in Germany, in Spain, in Belgium, in France, in Holland, in Finland, in Italy, in UK, in America, in Malaysia, in Dubai, you go fit work with our company. You go fit work with them. Now small registration money like this they just ask for. And if you see yourself, that very month when you register, before that month go they finish. As that month finish, when they want to pay your money, you go gain your registration money, still get something on top. Then from the next month you just dey hustle your normal money dey go. You just dey hustle your normal money dey go. So our product na very good product. My pikin get health, e get plenty health issue, catarrh, cough, water go dey comot for im eye, im nose go dey block, e go dey sneeze. When I carry enter this country, na I foresee that thing. Na this product help me put the pikin for position. Now e no dey sneeze. You understand? Even if e dey sneeze na once in a while, all the medicine wey doctor give am, all of them I don pack am for one corner, I no dey use am again. Thank God for this my amazing product wey I dey use for am. So this our company get better product. When company get better product, there is no how when you no go sell. There is no how when you no go sell. So this company, make una try come join. And this company, I no wan talk about the payment, because if I dey talk about the payment, e go be like say I dey proud, or I wan dey carry una dey play, or I wan deceive una. No. Money dey. Money dey. When I first of all start with the company, which country are you? Noni Banzi. Which country are Banki? Which country are you? If you I don't even forget sef. Sorry guys. You know. So wetin I try to talk this product na product when e be say e dey sell everywhere. So when company get better product, there is no how when you no go fit sell. There is no how when you no go fit sell. I get customers when e be say for the past 2 years they don dey take this my product. They tell me say they no go fit stop again. They no go fit stop. So tell me how you no go fit sell. So make we no dey there dey waste our time for Facebook. You go waste time from Facebook from morning till evening. You go tell some girls, come and join this my business. You go say I can't be coming on a live video. So I'm go tell you say I no go school. Now who school help? Me sef I no go school. I don't know you talk. I be school dropout. But you know say the small things wey I need to know concerning this business, how I go take dey post. This company don teach me, because everything na brain. E don teach me. Make we forget school matter. If you go school, make I tell you, the only place where you go fit use your school well, your certificate well, na when you go UK, you go that America side. If you come this Europe, when I dey, your certificate no count anything. E no count anything. As you come, you go chuck you go put your certificate for one corner, you go enter street, go dey hustle. You go enter street. All this language country, you wan come here, come dey use your certificate when you get for Nigeria or when you get for Africa, wan come use am work for here. E no dey easy. Except maybe na your company from Nigeria transfer you come here, that one dey different though. But say I go school, I wan carry my certificate come work for Italy, or I wan carry my certificate go work for Germany or for France, my brother, my sister, na lie. That one na one chance. Na lie. As you dey enter the country, you go put that your certificate for one corner, enter street with your two leg, go hustle. Na so e be. That is if you go even see the work. The country don hard so tey now, no work. And wetin dey fear me sef, you see this lockdown wey dem do now, if everything come back to normal, even the job e no go dey, because many company go break. They go broke. They don even begin dey sack some people. Many company go broke. They no go even get money take pay their workers, because company when e close for 3 months, if dem get things inside that company, if na some raw material, some kind things, e go begin dey spoil. You know wetin e go take them to regain those things back? So they go drop many workers. So that is why this time when we just dey for house, when this lockdown dey, make we count am all joy. Make we count am as something when e be say we go fit still use am learn lesson and still use am build up something. So if you want know more about this my business, contact me either for my messenger, or you want my number. I dey WhatsApp 247. I no dey sleep. Businesswoman no dey sleep. Businesswoman no dey sleep. So if you want to contact me for WhatsApp, my number na +39. I don't know anywhere you want to contact me from. My number na +39 388 166 3635. Now my number be that. If you store the number for your phone, if you save the number for your phone, you go see me for WhatsApp. But if you want just still contact me for messenger, e still dey okay. E still dey okay. Because I can't wait to, I no fit wait to get you for you to join my team. Make we begin dey groove this thing together. Look, month just end yesterday, see promotion everywhere. Look my page, promotion full everywhere. Me I couldn't even dey say, I say people no get money oh. So people still buy product like this, promotion everywhere. So now I make you now this opportunity, use and start something. No problem. If you no wan join my business, no problem, but no dey put your hand for one business. YouTube dey there. I see many people dey open YouTube now. Open YouTube. If na hair you sabi do, begin dey do video how to show people how to do hair. You go get followers, you go get viewers, you go get subscribers. At the end of the day, you dey build your business small small. If na for kitchen you sabi do work, na buns you sabi do, na chin chin, na iron you sabi do, na clean you sabi clean, dey do and dey show people. Many people dey no sabi do all these things. If dem watch better thing for your channel today, tomorrow they will come back again. They go share your link to people. Say, e get one thing when I watch for one sister website that dey offer her channel, I like am well well, look am. Now so before you know wetin happen, your YouTube e go dey go. If na other online business you fit still do, makeup online business dey when you go fit still do, but not just sit down for one place like that. And as I go tell, as I dey always talk, me to talk of online business, I not sure say I will fit do any other online business. Okay, I'm not sure say I will fit do any other online business if not be this one wey I dey so. You know why? Because I know they do the shipping, I know they do the posting, I know they store the things for my house. Now just for me to get customer, make the order for them, everything from my website, the company go ship for them. On the 10th of next month, they go pay me my money. If na 10 customer I get, may I tell you, for one customer when you bring come, only one customer, you fit get 40 euro. Only one customer. It depend on wetin the person he buy. You bring one customer come, you fit get 40, you fit get 50, you fit get 60, you fit still get 10, you fit still get 50, 20. It depend on wetin you sell. You understand? And this product, people dey buy am. People dey buy am. I get ladies when you say they use 1,000 euros say they buy products. You understand? So no need to waste this. No need to waste time. You understand? Me, I joined the business before. I don't join the business. It don't take since 2017. I can't stop somehow because of say area I get as a B. But now that one be the mistake when I make for my life. I'm not supposed to stop. I'm not supposed to stop. I'm not supposed to stop. But I don't come back now. I don't come back to this business, and I am giving this business all my time, my best. I'm giving it, and I go tell you say I had to give am my time now. I had to give am everything now. I tell you say yes, I dey reap the fruits. I dey reap am, because even the Bible talk and say now where you sow, now you go reap. Oh, you know, can't join this business. You know, can't join business. The business you know they do. You just live and there, and you expect them to pay you money. No, you can see I am working 2-4. My post every time on Facebook. As I dey post on Facebook, na how they try to contact people for phone. They contact people through Messenger, through WhatsApp. People dey when they will tell you say yes. People dey when they will tell you say no. But you know me, your business continue. Not be everybody when you come your shop where you dey sell something go ask you say sister how much for this thing go buy. Na so this online business be. So please, enough is enough. May we try to start something else. Make this coronavirus now when we dey inside house we no fit dey do anything. Make it teach us why we should invest in something else, not just on our job. May you so how we dey talk am? You know say for me, I don't know about other country. In the midst of this oyinbo when I dey, they do insurance for every little thing. Their house insurance dey, their traveling tickets insurance dey, their life insurance dey, their company insurance dey. You go fit tell me why they do that insurance? They do that insurance should the case if something happen tomorrow, that house if it catch fire tomorrow e go burn. That insurance e go help them. That their job e go fit get wahala tomorrow, or their office I don't know, e go fit get wahala tomorrow. that insurance wey dem dey do in one way or the other go fit bring something come because dem do that insurance. Na so e suppose to be for us. Make we try put our time in another thing when e be say yes, no matter how wetin come happen later, even if na 200 euro 300 euro, the business when you involve yourself put e dey bring for you, e go still help you. With this coronavirus now, people dey when be say they beg, they just dey beg God for abeg, if you just fit give me 100 euro for this moment, I go thank you. 100 euro. But this 100 euro na wetin be say if I make order for 1 week, I go fit get am for my company, or even for 3 days, or even a day. You understand? But people dey there, they just dey pray say God just bring person come my way when I go fit take get 100 euro or 50 or even 10 euro. So you have every reason to give this thing a second thought to. Come join my business. Let's rock this thing together. And I can't wait for this business to get to Africa. Once this business get to Africa, it will be sweeter. It will be sweeter because I know say our people no dey waste time. Now when we come enter Europe here, now we come dey do sume. If this business don reach Africa, you will say people go even carry am for head, they carry the hug waka. I don't know my people again. I know my people. But we come Europe now, some go say if not be a shower work, they no go work. Some go say if not be to go dey beg for street, they no go beg for wetin. For the country where me and you come from, you fit go stand in the night, hang bag, say you want to do a shower, make people they look you. We don't go fit. So make I leave una, make we go sleep. Me, I want go dey do my business. I want go dey do my business. So make una think am, make una think am well. If you want to join the business, contact me. And for those people when I don't drop their comment, I will get in touch with you. Una. May God bless you now. Make una sleep tight too. I don't know wherever una dey watch me from. If na America, I know na in the evening una dey. Una good evening. If na Europe, una good night too. Anywhere una dey, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, una good night. Before I go, make una help me share this video, and my God will bless una nyafu. Till I come your way next time again, it's your girl always, Justina Christopher. Love you. Good night. Bye.